Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram and go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on your activity. So once you've clicked on your activity, you want to choose recent searches. And now just go ahead and click on clear all at the upper right corner of your screen. Again, click on clear all. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to go back on your profile and again click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on settings and privacy. Now you want to click on help here, and by the way, you should only do this step or way if your problem is not fixed yet. Okay, so now click on report a problem. Now click on include and continue. And now just go ahead and type your problem right here. Okay, so now once you've done typing your problem, just go ahead and click on send at the upper right corner of your screen. And that should help you with your problem. Okay, and that is how you delete Instagram search suggestions. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.